Hello students, welcome to TS Quick Learn. In the next bit in exercise 3.1 in class 6 is class 10 is if p of t is equals to t cube minus 1, find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2, p of minus 2 value. So in order to understand how these values work, first we'll understand what is the definition of the polynomial, value of polynomial. So if p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is a real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x at x is equals to k and it is denoted by p of k. That means if p of t is equals to t cube minus 1, in place of t, wherever t is there, if you replace it with the real number k, that means p of 1, if we replace it with 1 in place of t, and if we solve the problem, then we'll get the value of that particular polynomial. So if we check here, p of 1 is equals to in t cube minus 1, that means 1 cube minus 1, k is a real number. So 1 cube we can write as 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1. What we get the value? 0. The value of p of 1 will be 0. So if we check for p of minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, and this is into and that is minus. See to it once while you are doing. Minus into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, as we have studied earlier in our below standards. Minus 1. So minus 1 again, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is equals to minus 2. The value of p of minus 1 is minus 2. P of 0 is equals to 0 cube minus 1. What is 0 cube? 0 minus 1. The value of p of 0 is minus 1. P of 2. If we replace t cube minus 1 with 2 cube minus 1, 2 into 2 into 2 minus 1. That means 4 into 2 minus 1, 8 minus 1, which is 7. We'll go step by step because we might confuse if we don't do this. So the value of p of 2 is 7. And the next bit is p of minus 2 is minus 2 whole cube minus 1. Write it elaborately so that you understand clearly. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 1. So first we have to multiply. 4 into minus 2 plus into minus is minus, 4 into 2 is 8 minus 1, that is minus 8 minus 1. We get the answer minus 9. So the value of p of minus 2 is minus 2. Thank you.